In this video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes with me and show you exactly how I'm using AI to create my content. But not only that, to save me a huge amount of time. Now, before we dive in and I show you exactly on the screen here how I create my content, it's important that I share something with you. We're seeing AI everywhere at the moment. Copy here, copy there, and a lot of it's looking the same. I don't create the sameness. I don't allow AI to get in the way because I use this. So many of you are using AI, using ChatGPT, using things like Claude, and allowing it to just spew out something without you sense checking it. Something that's so important to me is as we're going through this, don't just think, oh my gosh, what Mark's going to go through right now is going to create all my content. I use Claude in specific today to help me idea create, to help me put structure together. But I'm the one that has the final say. And it's my intelligence, my experience, and my knowledge that allows me to have a clear idea of whether or not it's ready to go out, but also very clear understanding of what my brand guidelines are. So let me dive over to the screen and I'll show you exactly what we do. Now, the first thing you're going to see here is Claude. Now, many of you will not be familiar with Claude. A lot of you are using ChatGPT. I like Claude for helping me with anything to do with content and writing. ChatGPT, I love it for helping me to strategize with business and develop systems. And I've really seen a difference between the two. So Claude for me is number one when it comes to content. Now, what you can see here is a standard question box. Down the left-hand side, you'll have something called projects. Now, I want to show you inside here to start with. You'll see that I have a project for Reels, a project for carousels, a project for email copy, project for YouTube. And what a project is, it's an individual project or customized area where I am feeding knowledge to a particular private area inside Claude that is able to operate with clear instructions and guidelines from me. Let me show you what I mean. Now, if you followed me for any amount of time, you are familiar with the fact that I put out carousels. And so I have a carousel project folder. What this means is that I'm not just going into an empty question box and asking Claude to come up with carousel ideas. I'm giving Claude a project. So this project, carousels, I have built the knowledge base behind the scenes, giving Claude everything that it needs to know about the type of people, who I am, who I want to create content for. So when it goes into a project, it actually acts with the knowledge behind the scenes of exactly what I need. Let me show you. So for example here, let's start off. When I build a project, I'm just going to go back out of projects. Let me show you this. When you build a project, an individual project, you will create new project. So if I want to say email copy 2, right? What am I trying to achieve? Build world plus emails. Now I'm just going to show you this because it's important you understand how simple it is to create a project. If I create that project, done. Now this project now has no knowledge behind the scenes. It doesn't understand anything behind the data that it would provide, knowledge, skills. It's got no knowledge. So it will just give me something very generic. However, if we go back out of the project and we go into carousels, for example, you'll see all of these. So there's 15 individual documents that I have given Claude as an information resource. And you can see down here, I'm constantly creating reels and ideas. So I'm going to talk you through now the project files. What do I use? To help me to do that, I'm actually going to go to my folder, because in each folder, you see I've got one for carousels and one for reels. I have the knowledge base. So imagine that this project is going to act on my behalf. Like I see it as a content creator for my business that's constantly on, constantly knowledgeable, and constantly ready to help me to create. So to help you, we're going to create a set of knowledge instructions. Now, you might be looking at this and thinking, oh, wow, that's a massive project. but I want to help you. If you click the link in the description right now, I have built the project building system. I'm talking you through everything that you need here. I'm going to give you the system prompt ideas. I'm going to give you the avatar structure builder. In fact, I'm going to give you my custom GPT that's going to help you build your avatar. I'm going to give you a custom GPT that's going to help you to build your offer. So you're going to get that clarity of exactly what you need to add in here. It's going to give you these documents. What this does is it gives you absolute clarity, and it gives Claude absolute clarity too. So the first thing that I do is I add an avatar. I add an avatar behind the scenes. You can see here, I put an avatar in here. So with an avatar, what is that? The avatar, and this is something that we dial in so heavily with our clients when they join Coaching Concierge. Who is your target audience? Who is your market? You see, if Claude is going to create carousels for me, it needs to know who's my audience. So my audience is established, emotionally mature fitness coaches earning between 10 and 40K per month. This is for our scale program, who have built strong reputations and stable businesses, but have reached a ceiling due to gaps in their leadership, structure, and entrepreneurial skill. They are serious about their craft, care deeply about their clients, and are committed to building a business the right way, sustainably, profitably, and without losing their love of coaching. So this is my target audience. It goes on to showcase where have I demonstrated that I've helped these types of people, a breakdown of the challenges and struggles that my audience face, the language. I feel like I'm in the right place. I don't want to build my business too quickly. These are all the things that our clients always say. I just want to do it right, Mark. I need the right systems to help me to grow. And then there are some clear boundaries, marketing, paid media, and then the full avatar breakdown of the language that I like to use when I'm talking to my clients, and then a summary statement to finish. This avatar then goes in the background. That's the first thing. The second thing is I want a breakdown of my story, my life story. This document is an articulation of my journey in the fitness industry to date, back from when I was 18 to 19. Why? Because if I'm going to create carousels around my life and my story, I want the project file to understand that. Then we have the offer, the actual breakdown of my offer. Okay, this is all structured here. So we have who's it for, what type of coach, the goals, before the program, how the program is structured from start to onboarding, all the way through to what our clients receive in the program, etc., etc. We have the offer. Okay. Then we have the voice. So what I've done is I've taken 6 YouTube videos and I've condensed all of my language into the YouTube videos. I've taken the transcripts, put them into a voice file so Claude understands how I speak. Then on top of that, I have a document which is called 15 Most Common Struggles. Now, these are from coaches that have come on calls with me. They've joined our program and we've asked them questions at the beginning of joining the program. What are you struggling with the most? And we've broken down that coaches don't have systems or operating structure. They don't have, that they're the bottleneck. There's no lead generation systems, no sales systems, there's no email marketing, there's no team structure. So all of these top 15 struggles, I then put them straight into the project file. I drag and drop them into here. You can literally say plus, upload them from the file. I could go to here if I wanted to add any more from Claude, go to Reels or carousels and just add that in here. What I've actually done, and you'll see down here, I've added individual clients. So we've got some of our clients. We've got River, Cooper, Mitchell, Richie, Sinead. These are all current clients of ours inside Scale. I've added the onboarding documents from them to give Claude more information. What I'm hoping you're understanding right now is that Claude now has a full file as well as my company vision. Now I've got Claude almost trained within 10 minutes on my business, on our clients, their goals, their challenges, their vision, everything, but aligned to also me. Now imagine this. You onboard somebody who's a content creator for you and you provide them with all this information. How long will it take them to really digest it, absorb it? Months and months and months. 10 minutes. Claude fully understands my business. Then, when I go to create carousels for my company and I come here and I type this in and we talk into it and I say, I'd like you to create 15 carousel titles rank them from best to worst for me. And I want you to make sure you take guidance from the 15 struggles inside the project knowledge file, and then align that with titles that you could help me with, that I could actually start to put together. Then I let that go. We press enter. And then look what happens, because it's got the knowledge database behind, it's got the 15 struggles. What Claude will now do is it will take a little bit of time, 15 carousel titles based on client struggles, okay? The 15 biggest struggles that your clients face is no systems, they're the bottleneck, etc. Now it's going to give me 15 carousel titles. Why most coaches are the bottleneck in their own business. The 5 systems every coaching business needs that most coaches don't have. Why your business feels overwhelming. The difference between a coaching business that runs smoothly versus one that drains you. Now, you may have seen some of these titles before. I've moved them around, tried different things. Now, if I then said to the carousel now, because I have a structure in here, what if I wanted to build the carousel? Well, inside the system for building carousels, we have something called a system prompt. And inside the description, if you click the link, you've got this whole building system that I'm going to put together for you, that you can click and download this so you can actually build this yourself. So I'm going to give you the system prompts, how to create your offer, your avatar, and structure this so that you can go and build this yourself. But you'll see here with the system prompt, you are an elite Instagram carousel architect who creates viral content for fitness coaches, scaling from 10 to 50K per month. Your carousels consistently achieve 500 saves by combining Matt Gray's visual formula with fitness industry insights and Mark Golds's authority. Matt Gray is somebody that I've received a lot of mentoring from, and I love the way he does his carousels. So we take inspiration from some of the visual formula of graphics that he does, and we've taken our inspiration and blended that with everything we've got. We want to stop the scroll, experience epiphanies, screenshot frameworks, and then we've now got the full framework and the structure of how I want to build a carousel. So if I was to come back into here and I said, let's create, okay, what we want to do is to create the difference between a coaching business that runs smoothly versus one that drains you. I want to have no more than 9 slides, build the whole carousel, let me have a look, and then we can work from there. Now, as you'll see, if I click go, we've asked it to build the carousel, and in a second, you're now going to see the full carousel. Complete carousel, the difference between building a coaching business. I've got the title of the carousel, and then I've got an authority statement, and then I've got a visual. And then I can go away and come up with an idea, and this gives me an idea of what the carousel could look like. And then it takes me through every single part of the carousel build. Now, am I going to use this as per it's provided? No. I'm going to take the ideas, and it's really saving me a heck of a lot of time. I don't have to sit down and come up with ideas. I can look at my Instagram posts and see what was good, what was bad, what trended before, what didn't trend before. And I can start to actually get a good feel for my business. Every single month, I look at the last 28 days, look at what performed well, what didn't perform well, and then I can go back here and I can add them in, and it saves me a huge amount of time. So this is the carousel design structure. Now I have the same thing in place for Reels. Okay, you'll see here, I have everything in here, but the actual system prompt for the Reels is very, very different. The system prompt for the Reels, I will just show you here. It'll have something such as this. You're the world's best Instagram strategist, hook architect, and short form content builder. Your work has generated hundreds of millions of views, built 6 and 7, 8-figure personal brands, taken inspiration from Alex Hormozi, Jay Shetty, Dan Coe, Ali Abdaal, world-class short form editors. And I've really asked it to take inspiration from world-leading content creators. Do I go hook, body, CTA? No. But can I take ideas using this structure, understanding my brand, how I speak, what tonality I have, and then it starts to give me ideas. And then I use my intellect, my experience, my knowledge, and my skills to now bring this to life for myself. I sit with this file. I sit with this and I idea create. It saves me hours every single week. And then I build the carousels go live, job done. And I can also create the carousels, get them off to my graphic designer, and we have plenty in the bank further down the line. Now, as I said to you, I want to be able to help you. So here we have the full file. I've got a document for you to help you to build your own carousels, reels using AI. I want you to use the project file, use the database, use the system. This will save you a lot of time. It'll help you a hell of a lot. But do me a favor. Make sure you use your own intellect. Don't just allow it to pump things out, or else people will spot a mile away. Now, remember, you can click the link in the description. You can get this system, you can implement it into your own business and see how amazing it's going to be for you, your idea creation, and saving time. For now, take care. Make sure you click like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.